Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates kitchen. Actually, no, this is the Good Plates table. It's a rather large table, and we're doing here today is we are going to make Faberge-style Easter eggs. I have always been fascinated by the Faberge eggs. Obviously, can't afford to make real ones because that involves real jewelry and real jewels and real gold. This is plastic, but that's okay. They last a long time. I started doing this a few years ago, and here are some of my really old eggs. And you see, open them up, and you can put treats inside of them. And there's another older one. Isn't that pretty? And here's another older one. And this is one of the newer ones that I'm making. Right there. See, there's little gold ones, and you can open them up and you can put something inside. And they look very pretty. Stand them up like that. I hope. Yes, stand it up like that. Now, I have a lot of things to decorate these eggs with. See, now these stick, which is very, very nice. And more stick, purple, red, various different colors. I also have some ones that you would stick on with glue. They're flat on one side, as you can see. And here we have a glue gun. This, stick the glue stick in here, glue comes out here. I'm going to touch it because it's not on yet. But when you're working with these, especially if you decide to do this with children, you have to be very careful because this gets very, very, very hot. And you don't want to burn yourself, and you especially don't want your children to get burnt. So you can usually find these little stands for your glue gun. So it's like this, and the glue goes here when it's not in use, so it's not dripping on your furniture or your table. These are usually available in the dollar stores, and they're very cheap. Highly recommend them. And there we go. And we're going to plug that in. While that is heating up, we can make some eggs. Let's see. Let's start with a golden egg. And we're going to take this. See? Comes like that. And when you put the sticky on, you want to make sure that you're not covering the part where you open it up. It's kind of important, otherwise you won't be able to put anything inside. And that's half the fun of Easter eggs. And keep it straight as you go around. That. And you might need an X-Acto knife to cut off excess. Just go like that. And it comes off. Okay. Put the rest of it on here so we can patch some others. And this part's on there. Let's see, what else do we want to put on there? No. Put some of this. You can put these ones on. That'll look pretty. put these around like this. And we had that one little piece left over here. So let's take this little piece right here. We have an empty spot right there. So we can put it right here. Kind of looks like R2-D2. You see how creative you can get making these? There's another one. And these are so much fun. They're for spring. Let's take one of these. I wanted to use these because they're very springy, very springtime, and they're flowers. Oh, and they're remnants from something else. Stick them around here. It works. Time to use the glue gun. Get one little bit of glue. And we're going to take that, put it right there. There we go. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay. Get the other side. And one more glue. Like that. And get like that. Now, isn't that festive? And you can see from my example here exactly how to do this and how pretty this is. And put a candy in. Close it up. This one already has a candy. This one can have a candy. You can put whatever kind of candy you want. These just happen to be something I got. And we can go ahead and decorate these. And you know, the sky's the limit, depending on what you want to do. And here's our Easter basket. And we can put the new eggs in the basket. It's one of the new ones, one of the old ones. And here's one of the old ones, already filled up. Okay. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That, and I really like this one. All right, there you have it. Some very pretty eggs for Easter. I hope you have a wonderful Easter, and I hope you have a great time decorating, and we will see you next time on The Good Plate. Bye-bye now.